How to watch ESPN app without a TV provider. Step number 1. Subscribe to a streaming service. ESPN Plus provides exclusive sports content, including live events and original programming. Note that ESPN Plus does not include access to the standard ESPN channel. Live TV streaming services. Platforms like Sling TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, YouTube TV, and Fubo offer access to ESPN channels without requiring a traditional TV provider. Step number 2. Download the ESPN app. On your preferred device such as smartphone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device, navigate to the App Store. Search for and install the ESPN app. Step number 3. Log in to the ESPN app. Open the ESPN app. Use the credentials from the ESPN Plus subscription or your chosen live TV streaming service to log in. Step number 4. Access ESPN content. Within the app, navigate to the desired content such as live sports, shows, or ESPN Plus exclusives.